I am going to show you how to cut a pineapple. I've always liked pineapple, but I was always scared to buy it because I didn't know how to cut it. But it's easy. First, we're going to cut off the top. Ta-da! And you can plant this and grow a pineapple. Then, we're going to cut off the bottom. And the reason I'm cutting it now is because I'm starting to smell it, which to me means it's getting ripe. When it starts, where you can smell it in the house. I don't want it to spoil. So, and now what I'm going to do, now we're going to put our knife at an angle and cut down the sides, because we're cutting the shell off, I guess you call it, the skin off, and you just keep it kind of like it at an angle, because a pineapple is curved. So you see, that's got a little angle to it. You know what this reminds me of? Gilligan's Island. So you just cut all of this off. You've got to have a sharp knife. You just go around, cut it off till you're done. Okay, we have all the skin off. Now now if you can see right here, this is the core. We're gonna cut into that. Oh, this is juicy. So now, right here, we're going to cut it at an angle because we're going to take that core out. Because that's really hard, difficult to chew, difficult to bite. So you just want to take that out. So cut it at an angle. And it comes right out. See, you can't cut through it easily. It's just hard. It's difficult to cut through. So now we're going to cut this one off. Yeah, that's just really the toughest part of the pineapple. And it's not sweet either. So then, you just cut your pineapple up, whatever size you want. These are the eye pockets. This is definitely better than those.